Solutions. We've got Samantha in here today, and she's a gymnastics guru. So say hi, Samantha. And she usually gets adjusted once a week or so. We'll just go through it. We check her whole body just like with our adults, and you can go face down. Usually she doesn't have a whole lot going on, but we'll go through and check everything. That way she can do what she does at her gymnastic meets and at school. She's a straight A student too, right? So, yep. She doesn't have to deal with having a stiff neck when she's trying to study. Yep, so we'll just go through here, check all the muscles, or any posterior segments. What grade are you in, Samantha? Seventh grade, yeah. So we see quite a few middle schoolers, some elementary schoolers. We even see some like younger than that. Like my son, he's only 2 months, or 10 weeks now. Alright, Samantha. Let's see. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Yep. Good. One more right here. In and out. Good. Yep. There we go. Yep. So a lot of times it looks like really nothing's happening when I do this, but it is. Okay. Alright, on your side. Face me, Samantha. Good. Okay, good. There we go. Good. Okay. Other side. Good. Okay. On your back. Just relax. Good. And we usually don't do decompression with the kids because they're still growing, so they're not battling against that constant force that's making us shrink as we get older. Sit up for me. Yep. Good. Alright, Samantha, is there anything you'd like to say to our viewers?
It was a good job, and I feel better at gymnastics.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, God bless, guys.